Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Achibong. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm also a pharmacist. In this video today, I will be sharing 5 things you can do to promote good health, i.e. prevent illness. So prevent maybe long-term end-of-life illnesses like stroke or heart attack, but also to prevent just getting sick, like getting the common cold. So 5 things you can do to prevent illness. And before I go any further, I'd like to please ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And by the way, please pardon the change of scenery. I'm just on a break. I'm in holiday in Las Vegas at the moment, so I thought I'd just shoot this quick video from the hotel room, and I hope that you find it useful. So 5 things you can do to prevent illness. 1. Eat a diet low in added sugars, processed foods, or saturated fats. 2. Eat lots of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, and lean protein and low-fat dairy. 3. Maintain a BMI that is healthy, and a healthy BMI is between 18.5 or so and 24.9, or even 25 is acceptable in some people. And also, actually, something to mention in terms of BMI is that BMI is not always the best way to know if you're healthy, because people that tend to exercise a lot or are a bit more muscular tend to be heavier. So you might have a higher BMI, but it doesn't necessarily equate to being unhealthy. So usually in conjunction with the BMI, you should be measuring your waist circumference or your hip to waist ratio. But in general, BMI is good. So having a BMI between 18.5 to 24.9 is ideal. And number 4, remain tobacco free. So if you smoke, try to cut back and stop eventually, because there are advantages to stopping at whatever age you are or at whatever time in your life that you're in. And also, if you've never smoked, just never pick it up. It's not, it probably seems glamorous to some people, but it's really not worth it. Number 5, exercise most days of the week. In my case, I exercise 6 days of the week and I just do 40 minutes a day. But in your case, just work with the time that you have. Even 3 days a week is fine, but just try and make sure that you get the amount of exercise that the government recommends, which is 2.5 hours every week. And that can be over a few days. It can be over 5 days, that's 30 minutes a day, or it can be over just 3-4 days. So do what works for you. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you like the content that I'm creating, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. It'll help me to get more subscribers, get more views, and kind of get the information out there. So I really appreciate your support, and don't forget to have a good day. Take care. God bless. Bye.